Well, this Uber driver was just sentenced to prison. We're gonna talk about it in today's video. Please thumbs it up. More people need to hear about this. Uber rides are getting very dangerous. And if you're an Uber driver, this is a question you should ask yourself. Is it worth the danger? And we're gonna get into the story today, big update. And this is actually happening not too close from where I live. So I'm gonna give you the details. Before I get started, I wanna thank our sponsor, Current. Current is helping Uber, Lyft drivers, and gig workers get paid 2 days faster. If you're ever behind on cash, behind on bills, get your money faster. You can sign up and they pay you in 2 ways. They pay you every time you fill up gas, and they pay you 4% on your interest. As you can see here, for every $100 you put in, you get an extra $4 back. So I actually tested it out right here. And as you can see, I put in $100 and now I have $404. So every single year you have $100 in your account, you get $4 back in compound interest. And I added in some money and took some money out, so that's why it's 104. But yeah, I just tested it out. It does work. I put in $1,000 too, just to test, and that's why I have more, because it was going up higher. But anyways, check the link below, and now let's get started. Lancaster Uber driver sentenced 9 to 23 months. Look at that, my friends. You guys think what he did? He took a cash ride. A passenger offered him cash and he accepted it and he got sentenced. No, I'm just kidding. Could you imagine though? For any little crime. You can't take cash for a ride, by the way. If you do, you'll get deactivated. And if you get into an accident, you're literally screwed. I've already made videos about that. An Uber driver from Lancaster who was previously convicted of aggravated assault and 2 charges of simple assault after threatening a passenger with a firearm was sentenced to 9 to 23 months in prison, followed by 2 years of probation. So he was already previously convicted. Huh. Or was that from the ride? So just from threatening? Throw with a gun. So he pulled a gun out on a passenger. Wow. 29-year-old Lorenzo Plogger of the 30 block of West New Street was sentenced on Friday following a trial. This is interesting. Assistant District Attorney Kyle Leonardo, who prosecuted the case, asked for 1 to 5 years of prison time. It's an appropriate sentence for the harm this individual caused. The sentence stems from an incident that occurred on August 30th around 7 p.m. Police were ditched past South Franklin Street for the report of a robbery. The victim said they were robbed by an Uber driver at gunpoint and that the suspect fled the scene in his black Hyundai sedan. I'm sorry, but dude, if you're driving for Uber, you're literally being tracked on GPS. The victim said the Plogger pulled into an alleyway, locked all the doors of the car before pulling out a handgun. He then pointed at the victim. He said, "Give me all your money you got." The victim was able to grab the gun and fight it out of Plogger's grip. The passenger freaking grabbed the gun. The gun fell between the seat when Plogger struck the victim before the victim was able to escape. So the victim, dude, that guy has some freaking kahunas, bro. He grabbed the gun from the driver. He said, my life's not over today. Police and the victim were able to identify Plogger by looking at his Uber profile, which showed his name in the sedan. Yeah, no duh, dude. This is like the dumbest robbery of all time. Anyways, he's in prison now. This is him. Look out for this guy, because he's going to be out of prison. I mean, he's going to be out in a couple of years. I mean, that's dangerous, bro. That guy's, oh my gosh. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you're in Lancaster, look out. Sign up for Current with the link below. If you ever behind on cash, need to get paid up to 2 days faster. And no fees on overdraft if you go negative $200. Check it out down below. Otherwise, I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.